recording. Well, here I am. I'm going to try some remote control plane flying physics. And I'm going to try and fly through some obstacles, which is pretty hairy. So I don't know how that's going to go. But if I make it through the obstacles without crashing, then I'll demonstrate a crash to you at the end. I've tried a little bit of this with quadcopters, but I got to read about how to do them in a book or something, because they're really tough pieces to follow. Finally, the prop noise is really loud in these things, so when I'm talking, I mute the prop noise. Anyway, here we go. Remote control plane flying, RealFlight8 with physics. Let's go. Pedal to the metal. Okay, when I'm going to fly through those obstacles down there, those barrel obstacles, I'm going to go into pilot mode because it's too hard to aim and chase them. So here I go in pilot mode, and I got to keep my mouth shut so I can concentrate. High on the barrel. Here we go. Okay, pretty good crash. I am just gonna stop recording now. Not bad.